So, good morning students. As we have studied about the equation of motion from chapter 9, that is motion. It's a physics chapter 1. So what we have studied is that V is equals to U plus AT, S is equals to UT plus half AT square, and V square is equals to U square plus 2AS. This is all about the equation of motion. Now what these terms denotes, let's revise it once again, that V is denoting our final velocity. Okay, all these three equations, wherever V is used, that all V means that you are dealing with the final velocity. What does U means? It's a initial velocity of an object. What does A means? It means acceleration of the body. Anything is left? That is T. T is, everybody knows that it is time and measured in second. And one more thing, that is S. Sometimes it is called as displacement, or you have also studied that speed is equals to, let's write it again, speed is equals to distance upon time. Okay, or sometimes it is also known as speed. But speed in this term, S, not in this term. S is equals to UT plus half AT square. This S means displacement. This should be clear in your mind that what does this equation means and how they are used. We are going to just know that in this particular video, so that we can solve the problems based on these three equations and these are the terms. So let's start. I am taking your NCERT problems so that you may just revise it. Also your syllabus will be covered, and how the problems is solved, this all should be known by you. Okay, so just I am taking a random questions from your in-text exercise. So dealing with the first question, I have the NCERT. I am going to write the question also. So first question is, a bus decreases its speed. A bus decreases its speed from where to where? From 80 km per hour. It could be written like this also, or in the class I have told you that it could be written like this also, power minus 1. So a bus decreases its speed from 80 km per hour to 60 km per hour. 60 km per hour in 5 seconds. That means you are provided with the time also. What we have to calculate is, find the acceleration of the bus. This we have to calculate. So in this problem, I am going to tell you how you tackle the problem, also what is necessary and what are the units, so that you can just understand and how they will be dealt accordingly. Bus is at the speed of 80 km per hour, and while applying the brake, it comes down to 60 km per hour in 5 seconds. So given quantities are, we have to write, we are provided with time, that is 5 seconds. Initial velocity was U, which is given as 80 km per hour, and final velocity is 60 km per hour. These all are given, these three quantity, and we have to calculate equation for acceleration. Problem is very simple. तो आपको करना क्या है, फाइनल वेलोसिटी गिवन है, इनिशियल वेलोसिटी गिवन है, टाइम गिवन है. इस प्रॉब्लम से जो चीज़ मैं आपको समझाना चाह रहा हूँ वो ये, दैट जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट योर यूनिट शुड बी इन द प्रॉपर क्वांटिटी. अभी ये आर में दिया हुआ है और जो टाइम आपको दिया हुआ है वो सेकंड में दिया हुआ है. या तो आप इस सेकंड को आर में कन्वर्ट कर दीजिए, और या तो आप इस आर को सेकंड में कन्वर्ट करिए, बिकॉज यू हैव टू फाइनली डील विद द रेशियो ऑफ द क्वांटिटी शुड बी सेम। सो मैंने क्लास में आपको ये बताया दैट अगर आपको 80 किलोमीटर पर आवर को मीटर पर सेकंड में चेंज करना है, दैट मीन्स 5/18 से आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एंड द आंसर विल बी इन टर्म्स ऑफ मीटर पर सेकंड। दोज हु आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड इट, just revise the concept here in short while. Just look at it. 80 kilometer per hour. This is given. Okay. Now just calculate. This kilometer should be changed into meter and this hour should be converted into second. Now just give me simple answer that I know that in 1 kilometer there is 1000 meters. ये सबको मालूम होगा, बचपन में पढ़ा है आपने कि 1 किलोमीटर में आपके पास 1000 मीटर होता है। एंड 1 आवर इज इक्वल टू 60 मिनट एंड इफ द 60 मिनट इज चेंज इनटू सेकंड, सो ऑल द क्वांटिटी विल बी 60 multiplied by 60, which ultimately gives you 3600 second in 1 hour. Now just calculate it that in किलोमीटर मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा मीटर and for second it is written like this. Now जो भी मेरी क्वांटिटी आएगी वो आएगी मीटर पर सेकंड में। this 0 will be cancelled out by this 0 will be cancelled out by this, 2 5s are 10 and 2 8s are 18s are 36. So 5/18 is the quantity to convert 1 kilometer per hour into meter per second. This is the small type of derivation, you can write it in your notes. So dealing with this, 80 kilometer per hour should be converted into meter per second by multiplying it by 5/18. Now we know that 2 9s are 18 and 2 40s are 80. Again it is cutting or not? No. So just simply multiply it. 5 4s are 20 and 20 upon 9. This comes out to be in the meter per second. It is my initial velocity. It is u. Okay. So similarly 5/18 multiplied by with the final velocity, that means it will give you as, so 2 9s are 18, 2 30s are, again it is dividing by 3, 3 3s are 9 and 3 10s are 30. So final velocity is coming to be 50/3 meter per second and this is velocity, final velocity. So from first equation of motion we know that v is equals to u plus at. Okay, just put it the value. I have to calculate this acceleration, so just make it the subject v minus u upon t. हमने क्या किया, u को इधर ट्रांसफर किया, t को इसके डिनोमिनेटर में रखा। just simply calculate it. v की वैल्यू हमारे पास कितनी है, 50/3 माइनस इनिशियल वेलोसिटी इज दिस वन 200 upon 9 upon time is given here 5 seconds. Just take the LCM and calculate the speed acceleration, which is come out to be meter per second square. So your final answer will be 1.11. Just pay attention here. ये वैल्यू छोटी है, ये वैल्यू लार्जर है। आप एलसीएम लेके इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो भी ये वैल्यू आपकी नेगेटिव में आएगी। दैट मीन्स दिस वेलोसिटी इज नॉट इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्सेलरेटेड इन द मोशन, but it is applied or it is generated by the rate of change of velocity, which is eventually responsible for stopping the bus, car, whatever the vehicle is. इसका मतलब ये है, इस माइनस का सिग्निफिकेंस ये है कि आपकी गाड़ी जिस भी स्पीड से मूव कर रही थी 80 किलोमीटर पर आवर, उस पर जब आपने ब्रेक अप्लाई किया वो 5 सेकंड बाद उसकी स्पीड जो है ड्रॉप डाउन हो गई 60 किलोमीटर पर आवर पे। दैट मीन्स इट इज also known as, this special type of negative acceleration is known as retardation. It is not responsible for the speeding of the bike or car. Instead, it is applied by the brake and it has come out to be negative, which is termed as retardation. So I hope that this problem will be cleared by you. So this type of problem, we are going to deal with this type of problems in the next upcoming videos. I think this is sufficient for today. and I will make more such videos on numerical based problems so that you can understand how to you have to write in the examination. ये आपको प्रोसेस करके दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है, ये आपको अगर एक बार याद है दैट 5/18 से हमें सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई करने से हमें मीटर पर सेकंड में मिल जाता है, तो आपको बार बार मल्टीप्लाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू एंड जय हिंद. खुश रहिए और अपने आप को बचा के रखिए. थैंक यू.